The favorite Monte Napoleone, gates open. They're up and racing. Monte Napoleone running by rail, moving up the Surgeon from the outside. Joint account in between runners, Ideal View. Then running by rail, My Sweet Leonora, Black Parade, and Lucky Lorque in behind them as they make their first turn and heading to the 3/4 mile pole with a favorite Monte Napoleone being joined by Ideal View. The Surgeon shuffle back in third, followed by My Sweet Leonora. Joint account running alongside. Next in line, Black Parade, and Lucky Lorque is still running at the tail of the field as they move towards the back, with Monte Napoleone in command, followed by Ideal View in second. Racing in third is the Surgeon by the rail, moving up joint account. My Sweet Leonora, Black Parade, and Lucky Lorque is still bringing up the rear as they race at the last 600. Monte Napoleone now by about 2 lengths over Ideal View. The Surgeon remains in third. Lucky Lorque pass approaching, catching the 4th spot. Then followed by joint account as they swing for home. The favorite Monte Napoleone draws clear by about 6 lengths. Moving up by the rail is the Surgeon, Lucky Lorque, Ideal View, and down the stretch and leading the finish line. This one, Monte Napoleone, is too classy for race number 4 by about 7 lengths. And finally, Monte Napoleone, Lucky Lorque, the Surgeon, Ideal View, My Sweet Leonora for your pentafecta. Then comes joint account and Black Parade.
Okay, 1-5.